Okay, so I'm just going to give you a real quick introduction to what I did for the password protection. I'm John with ReservationKey, and this is just to show how we can add easy passwording for members section. So here I did a mock-up from your website. I added this button on top. Members, you could put this, of course, anywhere on the website, but members reservation portal would then open up the reservation page on ReservationKey. I've added this password protected overlay. So they type in the password. If you put the wrong password, it's going to give a prompt that it's wrong. I put it as Sundance2026. And then when it's correct, the overlay disappears. And then they can access the reservation page. This isn't, bank security, but it is enough to, I think, put off, casual use. People that are going to see that, they're going to realize it's definitely members only. If somebody wants to try to hack it, they could view the source and figure out the password. But a lot of clubs and associations do things like this, and it works just fine. So then when they get to the booking site, this is just a demo system that we had set up. So this isn't your units for sure, but it's pretty simple. Put in the dates, click search, then your available units show, click reserve. You could have additional items. I know you're not going to be doing credit cards, so probably I'm guessing you don't need that, but maybe you need to ask something. So you could put that there as a summary, take the guest information. You could have custom fields if you need to ask them for their membership number or association number. That would be a perfect spot for that. And then click make reservation. It takes them right into your membership or reservation secretary, or somebody could get an email alert that they just made a booking. And then they can get a confirmation. That's all optional. Back in ReservationKey, this could be your calendar. The bookings show up on the calendar like this. These are the units. Here we had a test reservation already. So just their information. If we had a custom field here for the association number, of course, that would just show right there. And then the pricing, it sounded like you didn't really need to track that. So this could all just be set to zeros, and that's fine. We also have correspondence. So if you want to send reminders like 3 days before, this can be set up to go out automatically. It can also be edited right here from the reservation details. And then as far as how I set up that password protected section, that's under our website section, reservation pages. Click into the demo page that I set up. And then all I did was generate some JavaScript and pasted it in here. So this is code that runs when that page first loads. And so this is the page that creates that overlay, has the logo on it, which I just made based on the website. And then it has the password. It's lightly obfuscated. It's not in plain text, but we could also just put it in plain text, which would make it easier for you to change in the future. That's would be super simple. And then in this page is just all the different settings for that booking page. We also have a calendar search mode if you like that way better. It could also, this could be the default way where you see the units, you see a calendar, and then you can just click on the unit dates to create the booking. So I think that's the basics of the system, and hopefully that gives you a good idea of how it can work with the password protection. Let me know if you need a further demo or have any other further questions. Thanks.